My name is Ketesa Analeki Sopis and my metric number is 01DKA20F2008. I am responsible for introducing you guys to differentiation.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Muhammad Firdaus from class DKA2A. My registration number is 01DKA20F2015. I am from group 1. Today, I want to explain the example of application of differentiation in real life. Look amazing, right? So don't go anywhere and stay tuned with me.
Hi everyone, my name is David Bikaho and my metric number is 01DKA20F2031 and I am from DKA2A. So in this group, I am responsible to explain about all the solution regarding the equation that's given to us.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Daniel bin Uspizan. My registration number is 01DKA20F2013. My job is to edit the video of this math project as well as explain to you about my conclusion from all these presentations.
Good morning to our beloved lecturer, Puan Nitya, and fellow classmates. We would like to sincerely thank Puan Nitya for allowing us to present our topic on this fine, beautiful morning. Today, we would like to discuss and explain how to solve the equation y equals to 2x power 3 minus 3x power 2 minus 12x plus 4. As mentioned in the beginning, I will be responsible for introducing you guys to differentiation. So, without wasting any time, let us begin. Differentiation is used widely in solving problems, especially in engineering, medical, commerce, agriculture, and many other fields. When you find the rate of change of a quantity with respect to another quantity, you are actually doing differentiation. Another name for differentiation is the derivative of the function. For example, if a person is running up a hill, his vertical height will change with respect to his horizontal height. This rate of change of vertical height with respect to horizontal height is called its gradient. The formula is gradient equals to change of vertical height over change of horizontal height. Generally, to find the differentiation of y with respect to x, you just have to write the symbol dy over dx to represent it. If y is a function of x, then y equals to fx. The differentiation of y with respect to x, dy over dx, can be written as f prime x. Therefore, dy over dx equals to f prime x. Differentiation concepts are applied in displacement and velocity. Velocity, v, is the differentiation of displacement s onto time t and is written as ds over dt, whilst acceleration, a, is the differentiation of velocity onto time and is written as dv over dt. The basic rule of differentiation, where d over dx, a equals to 0, a equals to constant. For example, if y equals to x power 1, then the differentiation is dy over dx equals to 1x power 0 equals to 1. If y equals to x power 2, then the differentiation is dy over dx equals to 2x power 1 equals to 2x. If y equals to x power 3, then the differentiation is dy over dx equals to 3x power 2. From the pattern shown above, if y equals to x power 4, then the differentiation is dy over dx equals to 4x power 3. Now, you must be wondering, why is that so? Let me explain to you the first rule of differentiation. So the first rule is, the first step, multiply the index of x with the constant for x. Next, decrease the index of x by 1 unit. Thus, if y equals to x power n, then the differentiation is dy over dx equals to nx power n minus 1 for all values of n. For example, y equals to x power 6, then the differentiation is dy over dx equals to 6x power 6 minus 1 equals to 6x power 5. And then for the next one is y equals to negative 2x power 5. So the differentiation is dy over dx equals to negative 2 times negative 5 x power 5 minus 1. And the answer is negative 10 x power 4. And then the final example is if y equals to 4, then dy over dx equals to 0, as there is no constant. Alright, that is all from me today. I would like to sincerely thank everyone for lending me their ears. I would like to invite the next person to present our topic for the day. Faiz, the floor is yours.
Okay, differentiation is nothing but calculating rate at which a quantity change. It's basically the slope of curve of a particular function. For all such examples of the real life, differentiation is a method to calculate required value at certain points, other than the ones easily measured, calculate, and knowns. Most common use of derivative is finding maximum and minimum values of a function. One might wish to calculate maximum profit and minimum loss for his business. Okay, now I'm going to talk about economy field. Basically, differentiation can help us identify the estimated profit in the sale of an item or the capital that needs to be spent in making an item based on its total quantity. And differentiation also helps a trader to make a decision in his business based on estimates made, based on equation made using differentiation. Okay, now I'm going to talk that something related with myself, which is I as an engineering student. Okay, an electrical engineer may need to know the change of current in an electrical circuit with a respect time. A building contractor may need to know the change of expansions of concrete mix with respect to the time in the building of bridge. And other example is an engineer needs to know the quantity of materials used, and differentiation also helps in finding the maximum or minimum value to ensure the quality of production is guaranteed and at the same time we do not suffer a loss. Okay, we can see that differentiation helps a lot in our daily life. In the use of computer technology, for example, the use of geometer sketchpad (GSP) is to provide an alternative learning concept that abstract in calculus, namely the concept of differentiation, which is dy per dx as a tangent of curve at point and also rate of change. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Equation, we have y equals to 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 12x plus 4. So this is the equation that we have given by our lecturer to explain it. Okay, first of all, we write the equation back as the first equation. Next is dy dx. We dy dx the equation and we will get 6x squared minus 6x minus 12. So this equation we factorize it we factorize it with using the calculator, we can get x plus 1 bracket x minus 2. So from stationary point, which is d by dx equals to 0, so we can write x plus 1 equals to 0 and also x minus 2 equals to 0. So when we do the calculation, x plus 1, the plus 1, bring it to the right side and we will get x minus 1, and it also applies to the next one, which is x minus 2. We bring to the right side, so we x equals to 2, so we will get x equals to negative 1, x equals to 2. So first of all, x negative 1 we sub back into the equation of 1. So y equation of 1, which is y equals to 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 12x plus 4. So we substitute all the x with negative 1, so we will get 11. So next is sub x equals 2 into equation number 1, so we will get negative 16. So therefore the stationary point is negative 1, 11, and also 2, negative 16. So next is the second degree of differentiation, which is we di dx again after the equation, so we will get d2y dx squared equals to 2x minus 1. So for the y-intercept, which is x equals to 0, so we sub all the x equals to 0, so we get 4. So at y-intercept, y-intercept x equals 0, while y will get 4. So at this point x equals to negative 1, d2y dx squared of 2. So we sub negative 1 into this, and we will get negative 3, which is less than 0, which is it is the maximum point. So when x is 2, we substitute into the equation of d2y dx squared, we will get 3. 3 is bigger than 0, so it becomes the minimum point. So next is the graph. So this is the graph that we get. We have maximum point and also minimum point. Maximum point at 11, negative 1 and 11, and minimum point at 2, negative 16. So this is the graph we get based after we do the calculation based on the equation. So this is the graph. The graph is sigmoid. No, this graph has the S shape because the power of the x is 3. So x cubed, then we get this, and because we get this shape is because the coefficient of x cubed is also positive. So normally positive graph of x cubed, it should be like this. So this is the equation that we get, and also the graph of the get. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now, I would like to conclude the question, which is y equal 2x power of 3 minus 3x power of 2 minus 12x plus 4. So, for this question, we need to find the stationary point, maximum point, minimum point, intersections, and finally you need sketch the graph for the question y equal to x power of 3 minus 3x power of 2 minus 12x plus 4. So we know that our stationary point is negative 1, 11 and 2, negative 16. Therefore, 2, negative 16 is minimum point because we get 3 is more than 0. Then negative 1, 11 is the maximum point because negative 3 less than 0. After that, you need find y-intercept and make sure change x equal to 0. Finally, substitute x with 0 to find the y-intercept. Question: y equal to x power of 3 minus 3x power of 2 minus 12x plus 4. Now that x is substituted with the equation is y equal to 0 power of 3 minus 3 0 power of 2 minus 12 0 plus 4. So the final answer is y equal to 4. The last step is you can sketch out the graph we get as in this slide. So you can see this graph in this slide. Okay, thank you to all my friends in this group for being able to provide good cooperation to solve this problem. So that, thank you so much. Thank you.